Hi everyone, so I thought I'd share my little tips on how I tint my eyebrows. For me it's a little bit of a saviour at the minute just because I can just fill in any kind of fairer parts of my brows just to make them look a bit more shapely so I don't have to keep drawing them on every day. So I was just going to show you what I use first. So I like to use the Strictly Professional range, which is what I trained with. So you can actually just get this online on eBay or Amazon, but basically you can get yourself a little kit. So the kit comes with obviously your it says eyelash, but it's also used for eyebrows. So yes, you get your tint first, and then it comes with the developer. It comes with a little dapper dish to mix your tint in. And then you also get a nice little small application brush as well, so really nice and fine so you can get the definition a little bit. Then also you'll need yourself some cotton wool pads just to wet and wipe the tint off. And also you've probably got cotton buds at home, so use those if you get any areas where the tint goes that you don't want it, but I'm just going to use my wax stick to define the shape a little bit. Yeah, and I think that's about it. So I always like to use, so this is actually a shade brown. You can get lots of different shades. Mine are fairly dark, so I do like to leave them on quite a while. So I've just put kind of a tiny little bit in there, and then I'm going to mix that with 3 drops of the developer solution. Like that. So where you want to tint basically, so you always line up with the corner of your nose to the corner of your eye is where your eyebrow should finish. And then you also want to line up with the inside of your nose as to where your eyebrow should start. So obviously you can see mine are just starting a little bit further back because the tint's starting to fade. So yeah, I'm going to first off start by, and you could just kind of follow the shape you've got. I'm going to fill in my areas that are slightly fairer to start with, just so the tint gets a little bit longer on them. Follow the eyebrow down. Now it's obviously always a bit trickier if you're trying to reshape your brow, because that is kind of quite an expert thing to do. But if you're just wanting to fill in and kind of perk up your eyebrows through lockdown, then this is perfect solution. And as well, for the inside, it depends if you like a square eyebrow or you like it a little bit more rounded and softened. So obviously here, I've done mine fairly square, but you can always kind of do it a little bit more rounder. Use your cotton bud to cut off the corner a little bit. I made it look easy, didn't I? Tearing out pieces of me to replace the broken pieces of you. Tearing out pieces of me to replace the broken pieces of you.
I'm fucking broken. You see me empty, glasses turn the bottle in my head. I'm feeling dizzy, but you never fucking listen. Gotta jump to your conclusions. I've been heading in directions where I end up getting bruises. That's what the truth is. I take the blame. Always getting jaded, back around, they're all the same. Never wanna hear me. I've been tearing out pieces of me to replace the broken pieces of you. Tearing out pieces of me to replace the broken pieces of you. I'm fucking broken. You see me empty, glasses turn to bottle in my head. I'm feeling dizzy, but you never fucking listen. Gotta jump to your conclusions. I've been heading in directions where I end up getting bruises. That's what the truth is, I take the blame. Always getting jaded, back around, they're all the same. Never wanna hear me, I've been beating from the start. I got money, I got bills, and I got a broken heart. Fuck the love, I'm needing trust. A kiss can make me stronger, but it's fixing no one's heart. I don't need your glitter, I just need a will to start. Numbing through prescriptions, isolations we're apart. So I'm back.
So there you have it. Obviously, whilst I was waiting, thought I'd do my mascara, get a few little loose hairs down here, so just to smarten them up a little bit. But yeah, obviously depending on the darkness that you want your eyebrows, but I've done 3 minutes on mine, so that kind of just gives you a judgment on how long to leave it. But yeah, and then I just kind of wiped off with wet cotton wool, dried it, and then I've obviously used my eyebrow brush just to brush the hairs. Obviously you can give a little trim if needs be, and then finish with a little bit of highlighter just under, just to make them stand out and look a little bit more shapely. So yeah.